Welcome back, guys, to another video. We have a ton of Tesla news to talk about, especially how we could even be seeing some really big companies working with Tesla, also incoming Tesla mergers, etc. A lot of exciting stuff, especially how most of the stuff will be happening in 2021. Let's just see what Tesla takes us, because it's no longer a company that just manufactures cars. They're already going to start strategic partnerships with countries, big corporations and companies, etc. So it's no longer that tiny electric car manufacturer that we used to know 2-3 years back. It's now a super giant. And we also have a ton of news about Indonesia and also some latest Tesla news in general. So first things first is let's talk about Tesla partnering up with Apple. Yeah, you heard that right. And it's not just me saying it. I think there's a pretty big chance. But of course, you got a Wedbush Securities. They're also agreeing with that statement. Now, here's a quick little recap. Apple recently just gotten a bunch of rumors about their Project Titan, because apparently two people that worked with Apple or are working with Apple, they are saying that Apple is working on a electric car that will be having a revolutionized battery and also really good autonomous driving systems. And the moment when Apple announced that they will be making some sort of an electric vehicle, keep in mind that this is all just rumors. Nothing is confirmed. Apple didn't say anything about it. It was just two people who claimed that they worked at Apple, and it spread on pretty much every single major news outlet. So all the lighter stocks started going up, all the electric stocks started going up, and also the autonomous driving stocks. Apple, if they do launch some sort of electric vehicle, will be extremely popular. And Project Titan, this project by Apple has been going around for the past 6 years, started at around 2014. And if you check out Apple's hiring page, they have hired several ex-Tesla engineers, a lot of people in the autopilot software department. They're not just hiring people for design of a vehicle, but Apple is also hiring people for the software aspect and also battery research. Apple is already sending out a ton of invites that have enormous amounts of hiring for vehicles. So it's really sus. And I really do feel like Apple is pretty serious about the EV industry, especially if you just look at Tesla. They are more of like a techie version of the electric industry. And Tesla is already worth around $600-700 billion USD. And these guys are just specialized in electric cars, software, and batteries. And Wedbush Securities analyst Dan Ives tips that the firm believes Apple will be announcing an electric vehicle very soon, but first they will announce an EV strategic partnership in 2021 that will lay the groundwork to make good electric vehicles. Now, this analyst from Wedbush has been saying that Apple is working in Cupertino for years for autonomous robotaxis, batteries, EVs, etc. And having a strategic partnership with Tesla or Volkswagen will be a golden partnership. And let's just see what happens. Nothing is set in stone. It's a little bit suspicious to just straight up say that Apple is working on Tesla, but chances are that may happen. Now, keep in mind that Elon Musk has actually confirmed that 2 years ago he wanted to sell Tesla to Apple for $65 billion, but Tim Cook didn't even want to meet him. So I guess there is a little bit of a friction there. Nevertheless, I feel like Apple, if they're working with Tesla, will be an absolutely amazing partnership for these two companies. If Apple does announce something like this, Tesla stock will absolutely go up. And any company that has rumors of EVs, those stocks are going up as well. Now, I don't really think Apple is super serious in the EV industry. I'm feeling that Apple could be making some sort of a robotaxi, delivery vans, or just simply go with software. So let's just see what happens. I'm actually pretty excited to see if Tesla will be working with Apple. Chances are going to be really slim, but hey, it might even happen. This is by Wedbush Securities, and their track record recently has been pretty decent. Second is Indonesia. The reason why Indonesia is so important recently is because they sit on the largest nickel reserve on planet Earth. And Indonesia is kind of obsessed with Tesla. Now, several weeks back, Indonesia was talking to SpaceX to be like, hey, come over and make a new rocket launch site in our country. So Indonesia actually loves Elon Musk, SpaceX, and Tesla, and they seem to support whatever he does. Around January 2021, we should be seeing Tesla sending some people to Indonesia to talk about a possible site for the Indonesia Gigafactory. I think the Indonesian government is actually pretty pleased and also pretty happy about this. A lot of countries around the world will absolutely love to get a gigafactory in their country because it creates a lot of jobs. Gigafactories don't have any pollution, and they're like a really good site. It really does boost your country's GDP, economy, jobs, everyone's happier. And these are not like low skilled jobs. These are high paying jobs, engineers, etc. You even have like Northern England even reaching out to Elon Musk with a pitch saying to build a gigafactory in the UK. So you can see a lot of countries, especially in Europe, which is a pretty big destination for cars, are begging Elon to come over there and make a gigafactory. So Indonesia, they're pretty obsessed with whatever Musk is doing, even talking about SpaceX to make their new rocket launch site in their country. And with Indonesia having such a big nickel reserve, and with them being so happy and cooperative with Musk, we could be seeing an Indonesia gigafactory being set up very soon. So the reason why Musk really needs all this nickel is because nickel makes the lithium ion batteries way denser, and when it's denser, you can hold more charge, it can charge faster, etc. That's the whole point of the 4680 battery cells. Now the 4680 battery cells will be produced in Berlin, and it would be inputted into the Tesla Model Y vehicle. The Model Y will be sold in 2021 in Europe, and after 2 years of experimenting, it's kind of like the guinea pig. If it's overall good, then Musk will be using the 4680 battery cells for all the other gigafactories and all the other vehicles. Now the 4680 battery cell is a lot cheaper to produce, less materials, it's bigger, it's denser, you need a lot of nickel. So having this Indonesia gigafactory to extract this nickel is a pretty smart plan. On top of that, we should be seeing Panasonic working on the 4680 battery cell production line very soon. They seem to be pretty successful lately, so we also could be seeing this. So 2021 is going to be a pretty big year for Musk. Let's just see what happens. You also have a ton of rumors about how Elon may be merging with another company, because Musk straight up said that he is considering merging or acquiring another company. Now, my guess is Musk would not be acquiring anything like Rivian. They will probably acquire a last mile logistics electric company like a rival EV workhorse, for example. Tesla is pretty big in the logistics industry. They already have the Tesla semi-truck. So it's honestly really smart of them if they could acquire another company that specializes in electric buses, electric school buses, electric delivery vans, electric cargo trucks, etc. Because they already have the semi-trucks. If Tesla could acquire one of these companies, get their skills, boost up their production, Tesla could become a really big logistics giant. I think a lot of people overlook the fact that logistics is a very profitable industry. Look at Amazon. Amazon Logistics by itself is worth $200 billion. So this is why Musk is getting pretty serious in logistics, and who knows, 2021 is going to be full of surprises. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Comment below. Subscribe. A lot more Tesla news is coming in. Daily updates and a ton of brand new stuff coming in. Full self-driving autopilot systems, robo-taxis, mergers, you name it.